So I definitely made some goofs on Friday, and that resulted in some lost money in the account. We finished the day still positive in the green with some profits. So the clips here, you're gonna see me struggle a little bit with the Webull UI as I'm adjusting because I've been using Thinkorswim for years now. I've traded on Webull before, but it's been a long time and they've made some UI changes. And I've just become so accustomed and fast with TOS that I kept trying to do things that are not the same on the different application with Webull. So I've made some adjustments and played with it all weekend, so we shouldn't have issues with that as well. I also had to comb through about 3 hours worth of footage and cut out, most of the dead space, hopefully, so that these are a little more informative to watch. So you don't have to watch like basically a whole entire live stream just to catch 2 trades that were actually made. Over the weekend though, I made a lot of changes and coming out with some profits after last week was pretty much a slow week. There was a sell-off into the end of Friday that we did capture in the other account. I mean, some traders even made like 400% out of the Discord from that. I did not participate that in the small account though, so I'm hoping this week will be a really great week. There's a lot of events happening this week. Make sure you're in the Discord so you can keep up with those. But nonetheless, I said I was going to share every trade video, so I'll share this one as well. And as always, make sure you put any questions you have in the comments down below. Why did I do this? Why did I do that? What was my decision making at whatever point? I'll try to respond to all those comments. And if it's a little bit more elaborate than just a quick response, I'll make sure that I address it in tomorrow's video. And without further ado, here's the trades that were made Friday. Me poorly managing a bad position that was set up on Thursday, and then making a very clean trade on Tesla later that morning.
These positions, got killed on the theta on that. So we're gonna close here. Well, we're actually gonna. We're climbing on this. 56 looks pretty bullish. The 5-minute. See coin on the 30-minute. About to say, where's my data? Tesla up. UNG continuing to climb. I gotta close some of these UNG calls. On the other account. Solid profits there. There we go. For SPY, I'm going to close. Oh, I do not like how they do this. Come on, bro. Don't make me chase it like that. Oh, I do not like how Webull does this. Oh, how stupid of me. No, that's not what I want. Is this not giving me a quick option to... So show me where the, oh, it's orders right here. Let's check the stock again. Not a fan of how they do that. That's a big difference between how Webull does it and how Thinkorswim does it. 58. Let's take another look at Sentiment number 10 minutes. IWM on the climb. Look very healthy at 58. So the 5 minute. Want this above 50 RSI too. 1 minute. So let's cut the puts. The puts with a shorter term to carry the higher risk. Is this even keeping up with? Oh, that's not what I want. Is it easier to sell them from here? Oh, it doesn't even say open position. That's gonna bounce back up. That is very, very annoying. I do not like how this is set up whatsoever compared to Thinkorswim. I guess I need to get adjusted to that. Should have done some paper trading in here. I haven't traded on Webull in a minute. I'm gonna drag this over. Typically on TOS, when I'm buying or selling a contract, I can simply just click over here and it will give me the option to adjust a position. So if I click here, I click sell single, or, it'll tell me how many positions I can sell. I can go down here, switch that. Ugh, ugh, ugh. In fact, look how overbought that is. In fact, what do these run? 600. That's big. That's big. Yeah. We can do it. Yeah. Holy cow, how annoying. $176. We buy that for 140. Cut the loser. We'll re-enter on the 618. I was gonna average in, but I just remembered that we only have $1,000 in this account. It's not how we want to trade it. So if we retrace back to the 618, then I'll look for calls. But right now I don't want to play that average game as much. I want to chase a winner. Not average into a loser like that, especially a short-term trade on a small account. We have limited funds. We can't be doing that. This market looks like it's turning over overall. And actually, let's look at... Yeah, favorite on decliners. Boy, Weeble can be buggy. Buggy. No new high here. No reason to cut yet. Looks like that short idea. Looks like that short idea yesterday would have probably played out well. Because this looks like it's going to sell off. I didn't feel like it was setting up well. Look at it. Double top. It did manage to put us in the red. It's going to fill that. It's got a high potential to fill this. I don't want it to. Yes. Sell into that. Bring me a new low. Touch this 176. I'm also doing this all on one screen. Usually this would definitely be on my other screen and not on this screen. But since I'm trying to share this with everyone, I'm doing this all on one screen. So, I don't know. I'm stacking disadvantages against me. I'm actually going to go ahead and put this over here. I'm not sure how I'll do the editing for this, but I want this in front of my face. We want to touch the 176.